Welcome to this guided meditation where we will explore the transformative power of the Sacred Transmuting Violet Flame. This powerful tool can help us shift into higher consciousness, releasing limitations and negativity, and sustaining a new way of being. By calling upon this flame, we can transmute our energies, align with our true essence, and embody love, light, and peace. Find a comfortable seated position. Soften your gaze or close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your breath move in and out, and allow yourself to relax as you inhale. Imagine fresh, cleansing air entering your body. As you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving your body. Breathe in and let it go. Bring your attention to the center of your chest. If it's helpful, for a few moments, place your hands over your heart. Feel your heart beating. Breathe deeply. A brilliant light resides here at your heart center. Imagine this light expanding and growing, filling your entire chest cavity. As you breathe in, repeat to yourself the phrase, "I am this light." As you breathe out, repeat, "My body is just the container." I am this light. Breathe in. My body is just the container. Let it go. Release your hands to rest on your thighs with palms facing up to receive. And now imagine yourself sitting beside a peaceful lake filled with liquid love. This lake represents the boundless love and compassion that resides within you. As you breathe in, imagine this love filling your heart and expanding outward, touching every part of your being. As you breathe out, imagine any feelings of separation or isolation dissolving into the lake, carried away by the gentle lapping of the water against the shore. see that everyone and everything is reflected in the calm surface of the lake, connected and united in this sea of love. As you inhale, repeat, I am filled with love. As you exhale, repeat, I am connected to all. Breathe in, I am filled with love. Exhale, I am connected to all. Call upon the Sacred Transmuting Violet Flame to begin burning away all negative thoughts and energies. Yes. As you breathe in, repeat, I invoke the violet flame. As you breathe out, repeat, I release all imperfections. Breathe in, I invoke the violet flame. Breathe out, I release all imperfections. Allow the violet flame to burn through your emotional, etheric, and physical bodies, releasing all doubts, fears, and limitations. As you breathe in, repeat, I am purified. As you breathe out, repeat, I am transformed. Breathe in, I am purified. Exhale, I am transformed. Imagine yourself becoming one with the violet flame, resonating with its power and love. As you breathe in, repeat, I am the flame. As you breathe out, repeat, I am all powerful. I am the flame. Breathe in and out. I am all powerful. Allow your consciousness to become completely peaceful, growing quieter and quieter. Imagine yourself in a state of rest with no thought or feeling. As you breathe in, repeat, I am peace. As you breathe out, repeat, I am rest. I am peace. Breathe in. I am rest. Breathe out. When you are ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath and invite some gentle movement. Take a deep breath in, knowing that you have been transformed by the power of the violet flame. Take one last moment now to amplify this positive energy by leaving a comment below. I am powerful. Yes. Remember to carry this sense of peace and light within you throughout the day. And if this meditation was a pleasant experience for you, please give the video a like and share the link with someone who needs it. I am releasing new meditation videos every week. And by subscribing to the Zen Soul Balance channel, you are showing support, and we are so grateful. Thank you for meditating with me. Namaste.